So today we're going to be giving this Carrier CKC central air conditioner a good cleaning. It's not too terribly dirty, but it definitely needs a cleaning, or it could use one. It is a 2001 3-ton straight cool unit, obviously. Now the coils might look clean, but you can't exactly see through them, so that's an indication that there's a good bit of dirt in there. This is the unit that we just replaced a few hours ago, and we have some more to scrap. We're not gonna, or rebuild and clean. We're not gonna do all these today, but either this one or this one will be next up. And we got two Snyder Generals right here. And there's a spam can in pieces back there. Carrier spam can, and there's the Carlisle recip to that same unit. Yeah, let's get started.
Oh shit, I just like Mars. It's true. Well, hold on.
It'll make it a lot easier to get all those leaves out.
Yes.
I've done all I can do.
That's plenty. More than enough. Time to begin. Holy. It's near spotless. And clean.
I'm amazed it was able to run that long under high pressure.
Solid compressor. Not to mention it went through being low on freon a lot of times. I mean, compressors are cooled by the refrigerant.
Built to last for sure.
So you gotta think running low, it wouldn't really
There's a few leaves left in here. Other than that, this thing's damn near spotless. You could aim underneath the compressor. watch
Oh,
it
yeah,
shoot
grab
out
it.
over here.
Grab
Yeah.
that. Grab it.
Let me get this.
All right then.
Nail found in the coil.
It wasn't like in
Or
the
it
lines.
was lodged in the base
it
pan.
wasn't in the lines, but it was in the coil guard. Kind of weird.
I mean, if this were to have been reinstalled, that would have been a dangerous scenario for the refrigerant lines. There's a little point of view of how clean the coil is now, as opposed to how it was when we first started the rebuild or the deep cleaning.
There's still a little bit of dirt.
I guess this isn't necessarily a rebuild. Actually, it is kind of a rebuild because we take it apart and put it back together. But call it what you want. And there's your Bristol logo.
Some people would call it garbage. Or some people would call it polishing a turd, which I agree, I love that. That's the new series name. Welcome to another episode of Polishing a Turd.
You can see a little bit of dust coming off there. You can see a little bit of dust whenever you're scraping that off.
Yeah, I think that's good actually. That's just right here.
We're mostly done now. All that's left to do is paint this and then reassemble. We wiped these down earlier. I wiped this one down using the Monsters ink. And here in just a minute we're gonna paint this grill so that the rust is not visible anymore.
Than I thought
We
it
also
was.
painted the shroud. It's about to get put back
But
on.
that's okay. So let's put it on in place. Make sure all the louvers around it.
Oh yeah, and we need the hose before Grandma gets here.
I need you,
Hey, where's the bucket of bolts?
I need you to run the wire through. Or can you hold it right here? Or I can do either. Just hold it right here. Because it's kind of tricky. You gotta run it through the...
Just slide that through.
Alright.
I'm gonna need to
Alright,
readjust
go.
my hand position so I can. Or maybe I won't have to. Yeah, that should be good.
Alright. Cool. Alright.
Oh, there's the bolts.
Perfect. Perfect. Make sure you got tight connections, very important. now. Just clean up the wiring a little bit. Take a zip tie and just make it nice and organized. There we are.
Here, you can hand that to me. I'll throw that away.
This? Okay.
Yeah.
Looking good. That's basically it.
There you have it. Refurbish 2001 Carrier 38 CKC. As you can see, the base pin is completely free of debris and dirt and whatnot. The shroud has been repainted, as well as the fan grille. And there's another look at the data sheet. Again, this is a 3-ton straight cool unit. The condenser guard is in good shape, so we didn't need to repaint that. But overall, it turned out great. And I think it's ready to be resold. Thanks for watching.